Video update. Land Rover 110, 75th Ranger Regiment. The Ranger Special Operations Vehicle is a 4x4 driven light vehicle based on the Land Rover Defender 110 5-door station wagon. The R-Sov features a roll cage and machine gun ring mount on which several crew served weapons can be mounted. The vehicles are used for deep penetration missions, raids and patrolling. Development and production of the R-Sov took place after the First Gulf War in 1991. 60 vehicles were produced for the 75th Ranger Regiment. Other versions include a mortar carrier, ambulance, and a command/communication vehicle. Shark. Stats. Armament: 1 12.7mm M2 Browning HB machine gun or 40mm Mark 19 MOD-3 automatic grenade launcher, and 1 M240B machine gun. Manufacturer Land Rover Limited. Used by Czech Republic, Israel, North Cyprus, Portugal, Turkey, and the 75th Ranger Regiment of the United States. Crew: 1 driver and 5 passengers. Length: 4,558mm. Width: 1,790mm. Height: 2,035mm. Gross vehicle weight: 3,050kg. Engine: 2.5 litre turbocharged diesel developing 85 horsepower. Transmission: L77 manual with 5 forward gears and 1 reverse. Stats: in service with the 75th Ranger Regiment as of 2007.